Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2018 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. It's built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, wet kit and full lockers. It's got 721 total on the miles and 200,000 on a engine overhaul with paperwork. I've gotten it hot, going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires and brakes. Let's go ahead and get started. Normal blow by on 200,000 miles. Body looks good. Fenders are in good shape. This one's going to show a little bit of some signs of rust. The block's got some. There, maybe a little bit up here. Main part of the frame rail looks good. Any imperfection would be a little bit of bend right there on the grill. Some rock chips up on the front of the fender. You have some corrosion up on the exhaust here. Back of the cab looks great. Again, frame rail looks good. Got a bendable fifth wheel. Side of the frame rail looks good. None of this, this is kind of as in state, as is state as we've brought it in. You're gonna have a little bit of rust in the rear end and shocks there. Body damage, that little spot right there. Interior's clean, dash is in good shape. Good low side oil pressure. Climbed up there nicely. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also reach out by email to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.